Welcome to our 5 minute introduction to SeaCapture's unique next-generation carbon capture technology. SeaCapture is a small but rapidly growing UK technology startup based in Leeds. Our core technology revolves around a novel, patented, non-amine CO2 solvent technology, which was originally invented at the nearby university, from whom we originally span out. When combined with our optimized process design, we believe that this technology presents a step change to the current CO2 solvent-based capture technologies currently available in the marketplace. The technology itself has been developed over the past few years through a combination of UK grant funding and our external investors, IP Group, BP, and Drax. In summary, our technology provides three key areas of differentiation. Firstly, the physical nature of the solvent and the underlying chemistry is significantly different than that found in conventional amines. This dramatically reduces the amount of energy needed to capture and release the CO2 by up to 40%, resulting in significantly lower plant operating costs. The solvent itself and its degradation products are both low in toxicity and environmental impact, which, when compared to amines, leads to significant benefits with regards to operations, waste management, and in particular, process emissions and permitting. The solvent is also very robust to high levels of conventional contaminants, resulting in low solvent degradation and losses. And as such, this is ideal for application in hard-to-abate sectors such as steel, cement, waste-to-energy, and glass applications. Our technology proposition is simple and based on a similar absorber-desorber process flow scheme as you would find in a conventional amine solvent process, but with a few key differences. Our solvent is tolerant to contaminants such as oxygenates, particulates, NOx and SOx, minimizing solvent degradation and losses. It has a very low foaming behavior, which reduces process upsets. And carryover is not affected by high particulate loadings. Our solvent is readily recovered from our flue gas streams, which minimizes emissions into the atmosphere. And any emissions that remain have both low toxicity and environmental impact. As well as being robust to contaminants, the solvent's also low in corrosivity, enabling lower cost metallurgy in some key parts of the plant. And in addition to our process requiring significantly less steam when compared with amines, our solvent is also more robust to heat degradation, enabling the desorber to run at higher temperatures if needed, which enables pure CO2 to be delivered to the compressor at around 4 or 6 bar and eliminates the need for first stage of compression. Or alternatively, the process can also be run at lower temperatures, enabling integration with district heating opportunities. As mentioned previously, our current focus for this technology is for application on hard-to-abate sectors. However, we believe it's also applicable across the broad spectrum of industry CCS applications as a whole. Our initial strategy is to concentrate on post-combustion flue gas streams with CO2 content greater than around 8%. However, we have also identified programs in place to further expand our technology focus to cover more challenging, leaner CO2 applications as the technology matures. 2022 will be a really important and pivotal year for SeaCapture and our technology. Following on from our previous prototyping activities, we are currently installing and will be operating our latest fully integrated 1 ton a day pilot facility at Drax during the first half of this year, which upon success will enable us to start openly licensing the technology on a commercial basis from Q3, Q4. We're currently working with a number of companies and seeking further opportunities to work with others to support us on our commercialization pathway. Our next key target is to identify an intermediate scale plant of around 100 or 200 tons a day for startup in or around 2025. This plant will provide us with the stepping stone needed to then roll out at larger commercial scale and across a number of industrial sectors to help to support the massive CCS challenge which we as an industry are currently facing. My name is Phil Sutherden, and I am the Chief Technology Commercialization Officer for SeaCapture. If you would like to understand more of our technology or would like to be part of our journey, please contact me or visit our website for more information. Thank you very much for listening. I hope to hear from you soon.